Quarantine Beauty 101, Expert Tips for At-Home Self-Care. The quarantine may have us raising the bar on our communication skills, but many of us are struggling in the self-care department. Pedicures and root touch-ups have fallen by the wayside, and massages may be a pipe dream until the pandemic subsides. So, what can we do to follow the safer at-home rules and still get through this thing without looking like a hot mess? Here are some expert beauty tips to keep yourself together until you can get back into your favorite salon, spa or self-care facility. For the face perfect your skincare routine. With no need to rush out the door every morning, you can take your time and develop a skincare routine that works for you. You should always follow a dedicated skincare routine designed for your specific skin type, says Ashley Randall, business manager at Astoria Aesthetics and Wellness in Memphis. With extra time on your hands, this is an excellent opportunity to perfect your morning and evening routines. She explains it's best to start with a pH-balanced cleanser, followed by an eye cream and products such as acne or rosacea treatments, and then a moisturizer. She also tells us daytime routines should end with a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher for protection from premature aging and skin cancer. Think of your routine as a pampering instead of a chore, she suggests, and you'll begin to appreciate both the mental and physical benefits you get from dedicating that time to yourself. Help clear up your skin by cleaning your makeup brushes. Cleaning our cosmetic brushes is one of those tasks that tends to get lost in the shuffle or take a back seat, but the benefits of frequent brush cleanings are greater than you may realize. Many of us forget to, or simply dread, cleaning our cosmetic accessories, says Ashley. It's important to know dead skin and product buildup on brushes can cause acne and other irritations on the skin or in the eyes. Not to mention, dirty brushes don't apply makeup as smoothly as clean brushes. Her method for cleaning at home is simple: apply a pea-sized amount of facial cleanser in your palm. Wet your brush under warm water and swirl the brush head in your palm, in a circular motion, for several seconds. Rinse your brush under warm water again and massage the brush bristles between your fingers to thoroughly wash out all of the suds. Ashley recommends repeating the process if your brushes have excess buildup or if it has been a long time since you last cleaned them. When you've finished, simply lay them flat on a towel to air dry before putting them away. Purge your makeup drawer. There's never been a better time for spring cleaning, so sort through that makeup drawer and get rid of all the impulse purchases you've ignored for months or years. For the hair, try out new hairstyles. We're not suggesting you go for neon pink streaks, but some mild experimentation might be in order. Maria of the Well by Pavo says, try different styles with your hair. Have a little fun with hair accessories or headbands. This is one time that, lived in, color works in your favor. She also offers us an important reminder that home hair color often winds up needing costly corrections by a professional stylist down the road, so now is the time to rock our roots and natural color. When this is all over, she says, you will need your stylist as much as your stylist will need you. Do yourself a favor and just be patient. For the teeth. According to Dr. J. Paul Koch at Koch Aesthetic Dentistry in Birmingham, this is a great time to commit to flossing every day since most of us can't use the excuse that we don't have enough time on our hands. If you have stains between your teeth, he suggests putting a little toothpaste on your floss and working it up and down for added assistance. He also recommends using this time to whiten your teeth. Over-the-counter whitening systems and whitening toothpaste are available at most pharmacies. Just be sure to follow instructions carefully to minimize sensitivity and get the best results possible. Finally, he reminds those of us who wear retainers to use this time wisely. He says, if it has been a while since you've worn one, you can use this time to wear it around the clock to move your teeth back into their original straight position, much like invisible aligners. Sometimes the best way to feel beautiful in the midst of the madness is simply letting go and embracing the journey. Your gel polish may chip, and the gray hair might peek through, but you're rising up during a challenging time. Positivity will do a lot for your beauty, too. As Paige Simmons of Nashville's Paige Simmons Salon says, I think this is a time when it's okay not to have to worry about what we look like or getting all dolled up, to be thankful we have a home to be safe in. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so don't forget to give yourself some grace and patience. Remember to like us on Facebook, fb.com/DermaSafe.